the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the...
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another on feet look with my baby girl today. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Lovers Day, all those great things. But we have a on feet look of this year's Jordan 3. This is the Valentine's sneaker, the holiday sneaker. I think the name of it was... Treat yourselves. Yeah, Treat Yourself Jordan 3s. And today my daughter's going to give you guys the on feet because I can't feel them. But before we get up into a detailed look on feet of these things, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button for your boy. If you've never seen one of these videos, basically you're going to just get an on feet look of them. I've already done an unboxing, so you check that out on the channel if you want to see that. But you're just going to see on feet. We're going to talk about sizing. We're going to talk about comfortability. And then we're going to give this shoe a ranking out of 10. So with all that being said, if you're on the fence about purchasing these things, this should kind of help you guys determine if you want to cop them or not. So starting with this sneaker off the gate, this is a sneaker that my daughter really wanted. And I was kind of weary about getting them just because I don't feel like this is a sneaker that you can rock all the time. But she feels very differently. So as you guys can see, starting across the left side of this left sneaker, the outer side, we have the elephant print here. And this is the biggest thing. As you guys can see right here towards the elephant print, it is more of a metallic and pink. I like the fact that they did that. You gotta put your foot down more. It has a white outsole on these things. As you guys can see, you have these jewels. You have the gold and the red right there, and then you have another jewel here. For the guys that want to rock these things, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be something that you guys want to take off. Hey, but to each his own. If you want to rock a jewel, rock a jewel. You feel what I'm saying? We have a red Jumpman logo on the tongue, leather on the tongue, smooth leather, not anything crazy. Nice little leather on the toe box right here. The elephant print sizing is actually pretty good. Red, hints of red where the laces are at. Only one set of laces, which is going to be your pink pair right here. And then you have satin material right here along the laces as well. Super clean. So we have a white air unit right here. White outsole. This is a shiny outsole. They didn't go with the whole vintage look or anything like that. It's not yellow. The elephant print right here. Satin on the upper right here. A little bit of a more of a lighter satin, almost like a peach color. And then the leather is not bad. So as you guys can see right here, the leather quality is definitely not bad at all. Go ahead and go to the back end of the sneaker. As you guys can see right here, no Nike branding on it. Red Jumpman logo. Pink on that booty. White outsole. Raise up the bottom of the sneaker, baby. We have a translucent pink bottom on them, as you guys can see right here, with the red Jordan written right there. Super clean sneaker. All right, so as we look at the inner side of the sneaker, as you guys can see, it's the exact same thing. Hints of the red along the laces on across the top. Satin peach pink color looking sock liner right here. But super clean sneaker. Go ahead and give them a different views of it, baby. Just move around. As you guys can see right here, they just look really clean on feet. The edition, very much Valentine's Day. I feel like they look classy. And I love the fact that they gave them to us a couple of weeks before Valentine's so we could actually have them here to rock them. So let's go ahead and get off into sizing. Baby girl is what size are you in women?
8.5.
8.5. And we went true to size on these things. How do they feel?
They feel like my other Jordan 3s. They fit true to size.
All right, so we're gonna say true to size when it comes to sizing for these things. If you're on the fence about getting them and you're just curious about sizing, okay. As far as comfortability, how comfortable are they? 1 out of 10.
10.
You think they're a 10?
Yeah.
So she says that they're a 10. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like most of the Jordan 3s. I'm gonna say probably like maybe a 6.5, something like that. Cause you know Jordan 3s are kind of stiff, but hey, she said 10. Her feet 10. And then overall aesthetically, as you look at these things, what do you rank them, baby? 1 out of 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could rank them higher, I would. All
right, so she gives them a 10. I definitely think that as far as execution-wise, them being a holiday sneaker, as far as Valentine's, perfectly executed. I'm going to give them a 10 on execution, but just the overall look of the sneaker and everything else, I got to give them at least an 8. I think they're definitely a good solid 8. So if you have the opportunity to cop these things, definitely cop them. But that's all we got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below if you're going to be copping these things. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for you to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got 2